Greetings from, well, this is Macclesfield, the White Nancy. I am Evo Terra.
I'm Sheila D.
Yeah, we're at the White Nancy. Here's Nancy. I guess she's white. Whatever. Yeah, that's pretty lovely back there, though. I think that's pretty stinking awesome. We crawled to the top of this big-ass hill to see the White Nancy. And you can see all the things that we can see from up here on top of the world in Macclesfield, or outside of Macclesfield, or somewhere in northern England. It's nice. And now we have to run back down the same goddamn hill we drove or walked up here to get back home for a podcast interview in time, because we timed it perfect. All right. So we'll post it later on. Thanks for checking us out at shivo.dibtf and enjoying all the videos and stuff. Hope you like what Sheila's doing with the 1 minute, what do we call them again?
1 minute memory.
Yeah, 1 minute memories.
We've done one. So
We just recorded a second one. With
did.
sheep. Now with more sheep. All right, that's it. We'll catch you when we get back home. Cheers from the White Nancy. Bye.